Taitung Taiwan, September 3, 2023.
哎呦，真的很恐怖啊！你看那叶子。
Typhoon Haikui moved across Taiwan on Sunday, unleashing torrential downpours, accelerating winds and plunging thousands of households into darkness after the first big storm to hit the island directly in 4 years made landfall. More than 7,000 people were evacuated from high-risk areas, while hundreds of flights were cancelled and businesses closed in preparation for the storm.
到哪里了？啊？路两个六个，如果弟弟，那我在哪里？
马屁。
对呀。
Taiwan Central Weather Bureau confirmed to Agence France Presse that the typhoon made landfall at 3:40 p.m. local time in coastal Taitung, a mountainous county in lesser populated eastern Taiwan. Residents hunkered down indoors in the dark, staying away from windows as strong gusts of wind sent fallen trees and dislodged water tanks flying in the air, according to report. More than 119,000 households lost power throughout the days as the typhoon swept through the southern and eastern regions, though more than half had it restored by nightfall. By 9 p.m., Haikui had weakened to moderate intensity and was near Taiwan's southwestern city of Kaohsiung, carrying sustained winds of about 126 km per hour. A Central Weather Bureau forecaster said in a briefing. Authorities reported that more than 40 people were injured in the storm, including at least 2 in the mountainous Hualien County. Haikui, the first storm in 4 years to cross the island's central mountain range, had the potential to wreak havoc by causing landslides and rockfalls on surrounding communities. While a fishing harbor in Yilan County on the northeastern coast saw towering waves slam against the shore as residents huddled under umbrellas to shield themselves from unrelenting sheets of rainfall. Some braved the downpour to shop at a nighttime market that had remained open despite the authorities' warning of possible flash floods.
这是纳入湾前面的路树都倒了，纳入湾，哎呀，超级难开的。
In Taitung, repub trees already littered the streets before Haikui landed, while street signs swayed under the strong winds, and the restaurant owner tied down his signs advertising seafood. The military had mobilized soldiers and equipment, such as amphibious vehicles and inflatable rubber boats, around the parts of Taiwan where Haikui was expected to have the heaviest impact.
那么大，2000年的比利时的台风，把中正路的上海的房子都玻璃。
哎，打篮球了。靠背怎么出去？
On Monday, cleanup crews were working on restoring services after 160,000 homes lost power on Sunday. But so far, there are no reports of major structural damage. Although this is typhoon season in the Western Pacific, which has seen 11 so far, Haikui is the first major storm to directly hit Taiwan in 4 years.
刚刚吹到屋顶都在震动了，Oh my god！ 不要这样好不好？太可怕了，真的很可怕。
Businesses, schools, and other places remain closed on the island, while domestic flights and ferry services to surrounding island were cancelled. Taiwan's southern and eastern regions were the worst hit, while the capital Taipei on the island's northern tip received rains. Haikui was expected to be less severe than Typhoon Saola, which bypassed Taiwan but triggered the highest threat level in nearby Hong Kong and southern China before it weakened into a tropical storm by Saturday.